Hello, everyone. Welcome to my first ever Tidy Up With Me video. I was going to use this kind of as a get to know me slash talk about what I'm going through and why my apartment is a mess, I guess. When this video started, I put on Inside Out 2 because I hadn't seen it yet. So that's what I was watching while I was cleaning up. Basically, I'm not in a really good spot in my life. Someone that I was really close to, they ended our friendship, and I was kind of hurt over that, so I kind of let my apartment get pretty messy and not so great. It's interesting because I was looking up some relaxing piano music to play in the background of this video, and there is so much Inside Out covers on these copyright-free music websites, so it's really popular. So I do not have a studio apartment. This is the living room. I have a one-bedroom, but I actually sleep on the floor in the bedroom, and then this mattress pad thing I use for hanging out and sitting on just during the day, and then I also use it as kind of a guest bed if somebody comes over and sleeps here. My apartment is my sanctuary, so I really like for it to be clean and perfect, but sometimes when you work and when your heart is not feeling great, you can let it get a little messy, and that's okay. I like people's Tidy Up With Me videos because I feel like they're very real. We're so used to seeing influencers in these perfect houses that are just always clean and just have the most perfect decorations and everything, but I like the reality of some of these cleanup videos. Here I'm feeding my birds. I love my bird feeder. It is literally one of my most prized possessions because it doesn't matter how your life is going, whether you're having a good day or a bad day. Birds are always at the window, chomping away. They're living their simple life, just eating some seeds. Watch me break this blind. This is the second blind that has fallen off this month. I really need to call the maintenance people about that, but yeah. I had just gotten off of work when I was filming this, so I'm still in my work clothes. I love that floral duvet that I have. I got it from Etsy, but it is a little too small for my blanket, so is it just me, or is it kind of gross that most people don't wash their couch regularly? People sit on it all year long, and people rarely get their couches professionally cleaned, but we change our sheets all the time because we know how important it is. Watch me get frustrated trying to fit this pillow into this pillowcase. It's a little small. My grandma actually made me this blanket that I'm folding here. Like, how cute! So sweet. Being in kind of a bad place in life is my inspiration for cranking out YouTube videos lately. I've been wanting to start a YouTube channel for pretty much my entire life, you guys, like since I was probably 8 years old. And I've just pushed it to the side so much and just never really took it seriously, but I'm really trying to finally take it seriously. I feel like there were a lot of lessons that I was supposed to learn before actually making my YouTube channel, and I do feel like all of those lessons have kind of sunk in now, and I'm really ready for this next phase of my life. So a little bit about me. I'm originally from New York, born and raised, and now I'm living in Texas and trying to improve myself, trying to be a grown-up and live on my own. I really just want people to be able to like come to my channel and find some sort of distraction and joy and hope or something. I don't know. YouTube has seriously like been a staple in my life since I was a young child, and I really can't imagine my life without YouTube. And I definitely owe it to the public to bring the same joy to others that YouTube has brought to me for my whole life. And I consume so much YouTube that I just feel like I may as well be making videos. I'm not a perfectionist when it comes to cleaning. Like, I just want things to be well kept and not smell bad, I guess. I don't know. I just try to keep things semi-organized and livable. I'm not like super obsessed with cleaning. Clearly, I'm a little bit of a slob. I've always been a little bit of a slob, but I try to regularly keep up with it, and usually I'm pretty good with keeping up with the cleaning, but like I said, I'm not in a great place in life. Like, I've been a little upset this week and weeks prior, so I haven't been keeping up as well, but time to plug in the lights, make this place come alive. Oh yeah, that's a vibe. Cute. Here's the before. Like I said, not perfect, but it's comfortable. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.